Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most important topics for anyone with a Wix website, setting up the very latest SEO features for 2025. If you want to get your site noticed on Google, bring in more visitors, and boost your business online, you'll want to follow along closely. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only see how easy Wix has made it to optimize your site, you'll be confidently setting up all the crucial steps to get your website search ready the right way. So let's jump right in. First things first, log into your Wix dashboard and select the site you want to work on. This seems pretty simple, but let's take a moment to highlight why starting from the dashboard matters. You want to make sure you're working on the right website, especially if you have more than one. A little double check here saves headaches later. Now, shift your focus to the menu on the left. Click on Marketing and SEO, then choose SEO Setup Checklist. This is the newly updated version of the Wix SEO Whiz, and trust me, it's much more intuitive and powerful. Once you're on the SEO Setup page, hit Start Setup. This launches Wix's guided SEO Wizard, a step-by-step tool designed to help everyone, even if it's your first time dealing with SEO. Before the wizard gets going, it'll prompt you with a few key questions. Here's where you shape how your site will appear on Google and other search engines, so take your time. First, enter your business or website name exactly how you want people to see it in search results. Think of this as your website's first impression. If your business has a physical location, add that next. This is crucial for local SEO. If you run a bakery in Brooklyn, for example, you want search engines to know that, so you land on local searches. Now, one of the most important parts, keywords. The wizard asks you to enter 3 to 5 keyword phrases that people might use to find your site. Try to be specific. For example, you might enter wedding photography Manila, Manila engagement photos, or professional photographer Philippines. These aren't just random words, they're what your future visitors are actually searching for. Wix will then analyze your keywords, suggesting improvements if needed, which can be a big help if you're not sure which terms perform best. After you finish these questions, Wix automatically generates a personalized SEO checklist for your site. This is your roadmap to better rankings. Let's break down the main tasks the checklist gives you. The first is connecting your domain. Without a custom domain, your SEO options are limited, so don't miss this one. Next up, you'll be asked to optimize your homepage SEO, editing your homepage's title, description, and URL. This might take a few moments, but these fields are what search engines display in results. So clear, keyword-rich text is made. Continuing through the checklist, you'll need to make sure your site visibility settings allow Google to index your site. It's quite common for websites to accidentally hide themselves from search engines, so take a second to ensure your site is truly visible. Then, check your mobile optimization, a step that's easy to overlook, but half your visitors are likely on their phones. Use Wix's mobile preview mode and make sure everything looks perfect. Don't forget about content optimization. Sprinkle those keywords naturally into your page headings, text, and even image descriptions. You don't want to stuff them in, just make your content useful and relevant for readers. Finally, connect your site to Google Search Console. Wix can submit your sitemap automatically, but it's a good idea to double-check that connection to make sure everything's running smoothly. Now, getting your homepage ready for Google is just step 1. There are multiple tasks to check off here. Each one helps Google understand and trust your site. The next major step is optimizing all your site's pages for search engines. Think of each page as an opportunity to rank for different keywords and connect with different audiences. And remember, SEO isn't a one-and-done thing. The third big step is to keep building on your site's SEO progress. Update your content, refresh your keywords, and stay active. This ongoing work is what gets results over time. There's a lot to do, and that's totally normal. SEO is an ongoing journey, but Wix makes it as simple and guided as possible. So that's how you set up the Wix SEO checklist and launch your site's search engine strategy for 2025. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that like button and let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. I'm always here to help. And if you want more step-by-step tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and good luck with your site's SEO.